Yes, Sashika students. So today we will be doing exercise 13.5, class 9th. The chapter is surface area and volumes. So before we do this exercise, students, we should know that this is a cuboid, and Sagun will tell us what is the volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height. Right, Sagun?
Yes.
Unit cube. Okay, it's okay. Now suppose instead of a cuboid, if I have a cube means all sides are same. So Monrose, what is the volume of cube?
Side view.
Side cube. Whatever side, cube of that. Similarly, surface area. Surface area of a cuboid is 2 into, yes, Amrit, surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Right. Now, what about the lateral surface area of a cuboid? What is the formula? Manrojdeep Kaur, lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to perimeter of base. Perimeter of base into height. Very good. So perimeter of the base, whatever is the base, find the perimeter, not the area, into height. Okay. Then we will find out the total surface area, students, total surface area of a cuboid. Yes, yes, students. So now we have total surface area of a cube. So surface area of one face is equal to a square. Total surface area of a cube is 6a square. Very right. All right, students, having known on, and what about the lateral surface area of a cube? Yes, Amrit, what is lateral surface area of a cube? Correct. 4a square. Depending upon all these formulas, let's do question number 1. A matchbox measure 4 into 2.5 into 1.5 centimeter cube. This is the first question. What will be the volume of packet containing 12 such boxes? So first we will calculate volume of one box will be same. So volume of 12 boxes will be this whole volume multiplied by 12. So please do the calculation, write the answers. Good. 2. Cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long. So the dimensions are 6 meter into 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. Students, always remember, take first, imagine first dimension to be length, second one to be breadth, and third one to be height. Always do like this. Okay. So how many liters of water it can hold? How many liters of water? All right, student. So obviously, what we will find the volume of this tank, right? Volume of this tank is equal to LBH. So that is equal to 6 5s are 30. 30 into 4.5 is equal to, yes, Agun?
30 into 4.
155.
I think it is 135, right?
155
135 what? 135 meter cube.
meter cube.
Correct. Thank you very much, Varshpreet. 135 meter cube is the volume of this cuboidal. So he says we want to convert this into liter. So 1 meter cube can 1 meter cube volume can have 1,000 liter.
Liter.
1 meter cube will have 135,000 liter. 1,35,000 liter. Great. Let's do third sum, students. It says cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long. Cuboidal vessel is better to have the textbook in front of you, students. Textbook in front of you. A textbook of NCERT, class 9. Then see the exercise 13.5, do all the sums. So then he says cuboidal vessel 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. So this is the base area. 10 meter long and 8 meter wide could be the base area, right? How high it must be? That means we want to find out the height of this. Am I right, Monrose? We want to find out this height. How much height high height should be to hold 380 cubic meters of liquid? It should have 380 cubic meter. Cubic meter means meter cube of water. Water or liquid? Of any liquid. Okay, we can imagine liquid to be water. It doesn't matter. So uh, we want to find out the height. All right, students. So volume of cuboid is equal to, yes, Adi? Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So this will be equal to, please calculate Sagun, 10 into 8 into h. Imagine that height is h. So this will be equal to 80, 80 h, 80 h. I think the things are in meter. 80 h meter cube is the volume, right? So it says how height must be to hold 380 cubic meters of, okay, so the it's already given that it should hold 380 meter cube of water, right? The volume is given. It would have been difficult if it is given in liter, then we should have converted into meter cube by dividing it by 1000, but now it's straight away given is equal to 80 into h. So guys, h is equal to h is equal to, come on student,
4.75.
80 by 80. Beautiful. So it will be, yeah, can you tell me?
4.75 meter.
Never say 4.75, 4.75 meter. Very good, Bakshpreet. I'm very happy. 4.75 meter high should be the cuboidal tank. Beautiful. Let's do fourth question, guys. So the fourth question is, Manros, read it aloud. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit. You want to dig a cuboidal pit. Obviously, now we're talking about the volume, right? What the dimensions are 8 meter into 6 into 3 meter deep. So its volume will be 48 into 3, that is equal to how much? So it will be, I think, 146, if I'm right, meter cube. Huh? 144.
144.
140.
Yes, sir. 144.
I'm sorry. So the rate is 30 rupees per meter cube. So very simple. So 30 rupees one. So 1 meter cube, you should write like this. The cost of digging. So this is the money we want to pay to the labor. Cost of digging is equal to how much? Rupees 30. Whatever you want to find out, keep it on the right hand side. Right hand side. All right. So 144 meter cube will cost how much money? 30 into 144. So please tell me, guys. So it will be,
4 4,320.
is it right? 4,320 rupees. Is it right? Bakshpreet, your calculation is good. We are very happy. Good. All right. So बैठ का मारना पैदा हो गया. Good. Now comes the fifth question. All right, guys. It says the capacity of cuboidal tank. Yes, Amrit, capacity means area or volume? Capacity means area or volume? Volume. Correct. Capacity means volume. Like suppose we have a cup. How much juice will come in this cup? That means what is the internal volume of this cup, right? So capacity is volume. Capacity of cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter. This is the capacity. Find the breadth of the tank. Breadth of the tank. This is length. This is the breadth. We want to find out the breadth. Okay, guys, we want to find out the breadth of this tank. If it's length and depth. So depth is the height. Depth are 10 meter and length is how much? 2.5 meter. Beautiful. So how we can do it? First, we will find the volume in meter cube. So volume will be equal to, yes, Monrose, 2.5 into, let's say breadth is B, into 10. So this will be equal to 25 B, what? Meter cube. Let, you should write here, let breadth is equal to B meter. So, you know, students, that uh, these small things you should do yourself and write down uh, properly, and then send me snapshots of all the work done. So volume is 225 B meter cube. Now he says it should hold 50,000 liter. So Monrose, what we will do? We will convert 50,000 liter into meter cube. So 50,000 liter will be equal to how many meter cube?
50
50 meter cube. Okay. So this will be equal to 50. So simply I get breadth is equal to 2 meter. This is the answer, right? Breadth is 50 by 25. Is it right? Breadth is 2 meter. Is it right, guys? Beautiful. Now we go for sixth question. Chakka. Chakke pe chakka. All right. A village having a population of 4,000. This is the population of a village. Requires 150 liter of water per head. Per head. Head means per person. 150 liter of water should be available to per person. All right. Per head per day. Per day. Per day means in one day. It has a tank measuring, there's a tank which is measuring 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. This is the capacity of a tank which will supply the water to all the 4,000 people in the village. All right. How many days will the water of this tank last? Beautiful. How many days the people will be able to use the water? So first we will see what is the capacity of the tank. The capacity of the tank is this, right into 1,000 liter. Am I right? Am I right? Right. So this will be equal to, please tell me, 15 6. Come on. What is 15 6? 15 6. All 15 6 are 90 in
180 meter square cube.
no. Yeah, correct. You are right. No, not 180, beta. It will be 20 into 90, 1800 meter cube will be the volume. Now, 1 meter cube, Pranav, can have how many liters? 1 meter cube, Pranav. Yes, Manrose.
1 liter.
No. 1 meter cube can have 1,000 liter. So this much cube will have how much water? 1800 into 1,000.
Thousand.
This much water is available in the tank if it is full. If it is half, divide by 2. If it is full, 1 by 4, simply divide by 4. Oh, sorry, not 4, 4. Okay, now is the capacity. Now, one person needs how much water? 150 liter. Right? One person needs 50 liter water for one day. Am I right? Now, let us see
Yes.
the total consumption of 4,000 people. One person will consume, Manrose, 150 liter. So 4,000 people will consume this much liter. Am I right?
6
Yeah.
lakh.
Whatever it is, don't worry. Don't need, no need to multiply. Automatically it will be cut. So this is the this is 4,000 people in one day. They will consume this much liter of water, right? Then how many days? How many days the water will go? Suppose I'm having a water of suppose 6 liter, and my in one day I consume 2 liter. Then how many days that water will last?
3
3.
days.
3 days. Beautiful. So you are dividing total divided by the capacity of one person. So this now I will get number of days is 1800 into 1000 divided by, come on students,
50 into
150
4,000.
into 4,000.
not 1000, 4000, 3 zeros gone with 3 zeros. These zeros will go to England, and this 1 0 will go to Afghanistan. So 15 divided by 80, that is equal to 15 ones are 15, 15. Come on, this will go for 12 days,
3.
right? Is it right, students, or not? 12 days?
Right, sir.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much. No, it's wrong.
It's 3 days.
How 3 days? How 3 days? So we have done something wrong. So let's see what we have done something wrong. Don't worry. So maybe
Sir, we did not divide by 4. 4 3s are 12.
We just cut the zeros
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm
and
sorry.
4 is left.
Again, 12 by 4. I'm so sorry. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Very good. 3 days. All right. Great. 3 days. I'm so sorry. There was some calculation. No error,
No,
but
sir.
we did not see the 4. I'm so sorry. Fine. Good. So now we will do the seventh question. All right. He says the go down. Go down. Now this whole India is protesting against the go downs because more go downs, more storage, the poor people will become poor. I'm not sure. Poor people will become more poor. So let's protest against the go downs and let us, support the sustainability and the future and the happiness of farmer. All right, that's really great. Hope you got my message. All right. Seven, go down measuring. So there's a go down. I heard there are already 500,000 go downs made by corporates in Punjab. So I really wish that, you know, uh, the farming doesn't really go for this kind of corporate culture. Rather, we should aim for the policies which will help the farmer on individual basis. Right? Okay. Okay, fine. So now go down is measuring 40 meter. 40 meter into 25 meter into 15 meter is the capacity of the godown. All right. And the maximum number of wooden crates. Wooden crates means this is the wooden crate. Wooden crate. Okay. Maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 into 1.25 into zero point 0.5 can be stored in the godown. So total volume divided by volume of one crate will be number of crates. So simply 40 into 25 into 15 divided by 1.5 into 1.25 into zero point 0.5 will be the answer. All right. So this will become 5. If this becomes 5, this becomes 150. If this becomes 15, then this will become 1500. Okay, if this becomes 125, this is the way to do. Then add two more zeros up. All right. So 15 fives 125, right? And now what we can do? 5 fives 25, right? With 25, let's cut with this. 25, I think 6 are 150, so this is 6,000, right? 25, 6 are 156,000. All right, now let's cut with 15. Come on. 15
16,000.
4s are 6,400. So I think it will be 4 4s are 16,000 crates. Is it right? Is it right? Are you-
Yes,
How?
yes, sir.
You have also got this 16,000 crates. All right. Hope I didn't make mistake this time. All right, students. Now we are going for not the last sum, but we are going for the second last sum. All right. Hold your breath. Put your hand up. Take the pen, which is mightier than the sword, and speak less, do more. Okay. Let your impression remain high and high in the mind of somebody. Let that person enjoy, and you also live a happy life. Otherwise, you know. Okay. So 8. Solid cube of side 12 centimeter. All right, guys, this is a solid cube. So side of the solid cube is 12 centimeter. All right. Is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. All right, it's cut into 8 cubes. It's cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. All right. What will be the side of new cube? All right, beautiful. Let me ask Monrose how it can be done.
So first we will find the volume of the this cube 12 centimeters.
Correct?
Then we will divide that volume by 8.
Correct. So what will be the volume? Means
170.
it will be 12 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 12 centimeter. Am I right? Now this divided, now this is a total volume. So total volume now, volume of each cube. Come on guys, this will be divided by 8. So this is equal to 4 to the 8, 4 3 the
1728.
6, 4 6 18 18 गुना 12. How much?
178.
Huh? Is it
12,
right? 12 8s are how much?
12, 8,
12 8s are
96,
96. 9, 12 is the 1. 9 plus 9, how much? 12 plus 9? No, no, no. 12 plus
12
9.
plus 9,
21. 216, right? So 216 will be the volume of each cube. Now we want to find a side. This is equal to side of the small cube. So now side of the small cube and its cube will be equal to 216, but 216 is equal to, yes, 216 is equal to
cube of 6.
cube of 6. All right, students, remember on both sides when powers are same, the bases are also same. So guys, side of small cube will not be 8 centimeter, that will be 6 centimeter. Now guys, with this we are farmers have marched till outskirts of Delhi, so they want to go inside. So now we have crossed the boundary and we're going to go inside, and it's the ninth sum. Come on guys.
No, first part is left. Find the surface area also.
Oh, sorry. Find the surface area. What is that? Ratio between their surface areas. Oh, so we want to find out the surface area of smaller cube. So I think 6. So it will be 6a square will be equal to 6 into 36, right? Will be surface area of smaller cube. And surface area of bigger cube is surface area bigger 6 into 12 square, right? 12 into 12 divided by 6 into 6 into 6. So 6 gone with 6, 6, 6, 2, 2. So it will be 4 is to 1. Is it right? Is it right? You got the right answer? Is it right or wrong? Please see the answer. 4 is to 1. Oh, thank you very much, girls. That's great. So now, students, we are going for the last sum. So you have to really make good speed and good accuracy, and then you can achieve any amount of success. Maths is this subject. If you want to go for SERA, students, special class railways apprentices, you want to go for defense, it will help you. You want to go for teaching job, maths will help you. You know, suppose there's a flood, there's a fire, everything is devastated. And let's say you want to go and sit in the middle of the desert. Students will come and learn maths for you. You can never die out of starvation. So learn maths and enjoy life, even without wife. Okay. So now we are going to do ninth sum. All right, battery is going to go down for Monroe's. So Monroe. Yes. Now students, a river is 3 meter deep. So a river is 3 meter deep. All right, guys. And 40-meter wide. Oh, come on, guys. 40-meter wide. All right. So this is the kind of river, students. In this river, the water is flowing, right? So, this is the kind of river you just see. So here the water is flowing, right? So basically, when they say deep, this is the depth, that is 3 meter. And width, luckily I drawn more. It is 40 meter. All right. And the water is flowing. All right, guys, come on, let's go. Flowing at the rate of flowing at the rate of the water is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. Am I right? All right, 2 kilometer per hour. How much water will fall into sea in a minute? Oh, this is ultimately going to sea. All right, it's going into sea. So in 1 minute, we want to calculate how much water. So either you can say you can calculate in meter cube. This is volumetric discharge, or you can calculate in liter. This is known as mass discharge. You can calculate anyone. So even if you calculate 1 meter cube, you can easily, multiply it by 1,000 to get the corresponding liters. If you find in liters, simply divide by 1,000 to get the corresponding meter cube. All right, students, let's go do it. So 2 kilometer per hour is the speed. Let's convert this into meter per second. So that is equal to 2 into 5 by 18. Am I right? So 2 nines are 18. So this is equal to 5 by 9 meter per second. Am I right? 5 by 9 meter per second is the velocity of the water. Am I right, students? So what will be discharge? You see, in discharge, we have discharge. Whenever you talk about discharge, do you know discharge? Do you know? Do you know? Or you know, discharge means Q. So discharge can be measured as meter cube per second, right, Adi? Or it can be calculated as kg per second, or it can be calculated as liter per second. All are the units of discharge. Discharge means how much of something is flowing out in given amount of time. In given amount of time. All right. So very simple, students. How will be the discharge? The discharge will be 40 into 3 is this cross section area, right? 40 into 3 will be the area of this cross section. This cross section, if I multiplied by what? Here, yes, velocity, I will get the discharge. Very simple. In 1 second. If it is given in kilometer per hour, you can also calculate in meter per hour. So then it will be this much meter cube per hour. So this is velocity. So 40 into 3 into what is the velocity? 5 by 9. Have we calculated correct? You see, kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 meter divided by 36 seconds. So this is correct. 2 5 are 10, 2 18 the 5 by 18, correct. 5 by 9 meter per second is the velocity of the water. All right, guys. So this would be equal to 3, 3s are 9. So this will be Panchakavi. So this is 200 divided by 3 meter cube by second would be the discharge. Now, students, per second. Yes, one goes per second. How much per second? How much water is going? All right. So this is the 200 by 3 meter cube per second is the discharge. Now, please tell me in 1 minute, how much water going at this rate will fall into the sea? 200 by 3 meter cube per second is the discharge. So in 1 minute, if the discharge is happening like this of the water, in 1 minute, how much water will flow? How much water will be collected in the sea? So simply, students, you see, discharge is meter cube by second. What must be multiplied by meter cube by second to get meter cube? Very simple.
Width and
No, 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 no.
width
No,
and
no,
depth.
baby, no. No, baby, no. Meter cube by second must be multiplied by time. So that second will cut and ultimately you will get meter cube. Right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So, okay. Doesn't show. Doesn't show. Right. All right, students. So, the discharge would be 200 divided by 3 meter cube per second. That means in 1 second, this much of water will fall in the sea. In 1 minute means in 60 seconds, how much water will fall? Second will cut with second. So this will be equal to 3 into 20. So it will be 4000 meter cube of water will fall into the sea. Is it right? Now, students, some person says, how much, how much liter will fall? So it will be 4 into 10 raised to power. How much liters will fall into the sea? Yes, tell.
3,
No, 3 here, 6 liter of
6,
water will flow in 1 second. Can any student tell how much kg of water will, fall into the sea? How much kg of water? Yes, come on. How much kg of water? So if we assume 1 liter to be approximately equal to 1 kg, which it is, with this little bit of difference. So we can say You know, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. कायदा इसे करना याद है यार lakh दे lakh. 40 lakh kg of water would come in 1 minute in the sea. You know, students, I tell you one thing honestly. What you need to do, you simply need to, you know, open this Learn CBSE with this complete name. And I tell the most important thing what you do, you simply put the subscribe button, press the bell icon, wait for good videos to entertain you, to make your concepts more clear and practice more. Wish you all the best. Have a nice time.